Welcome to October. Like, man, I keep saying September. October 6th, 2020's daily trade recap. For GJ, we were expecting a pull down to retest 136.8 market structure and then continuation up, but that did not happen. Instead, we consolidated for a good portion of the day, and then we broke down and went to top 500 area. If you look on 4 hour, it's still in bullish market structure, right? This is still possibly a higher low to continue up. It's just that it didn't, there was not enough order flow, buy order flow at that level to continue up, right? But I did catch these buys right here. So I entered at 8.4, 8.5, and 8.9, and I took profit in this area. It was just a scalp. I was expecting it to go higher to like 400-ish. But it didn't, so I took profit here because it failed to break past this market structure, right? But you see how prior to London Open, right, or London Open, price rejected the top of this consolidation, this area, and then once it broke below, this was a retest, lower high, and then by 7 a.m. it fell. Okay, so currently in like lower time frames are making bearish structure, so we're gonna have to keep an eye on that. Daily is like this, maybe possibly retesting 500 before continuing up, but we'll have to see what happens. I still think we can head up here, but we're just gonna have to monitor and see what levels price is creating, right? Because it's possible that we can just go down now a bit too, because it's under this level, but we're gonna be monitoring them. GBP CAD was clean. GBP CAD still ranging in that range, and all you see, it's just playing level to level. It tapped here, right? And then went up. London Open, tapped up here, dropped down to the next level, tapped here, gave another like 50, 60 pips, right? So let's go through that. So this was 3 a.m. London Open, price tapped exactly there, right? Tap, created a lower high, dropped down 50 pips, went up, created a lower high, dropped down. Once we broke past this, we got a quick retest and then dropped back to the next major level. And you see it's just level to level. So let's say you entered here, right? You entered here. Your stop loss above the next one. This is 90 pips down, okay? 90 pips by 7 a.m. And you're gonna enter. So 3.5 hours, you would have gotten it. And then you see when price came down here, it rejected instantly and then created a higher low right here and then went up again, which was another 80 pips. Right? So when we look at 1 minute, you see how market structure shifts. Like this was the liquidity grab, right? This was liquidity grab, retest, lower high, tap to level, lower high, and then moved on, right? See, these just like bearish price action being printed. So, and then once it came to the support, rejected again, higher low, create another higher low, then boom, right? So see, this is how you identify shift in market structure in lower time frame. Yeah, that's about it. These pairs, GC was much better than GJ. It was cleaner. Like we got an actual tap at a higher time frame level, the ones that we've had since analysis, and it tapped it exactly before going down and tapped exactly before going back up. Just ranging between this, right? A couple 100 pip range. How much is this? 100 pip range. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching.